Hi everybody and welcome back. My name is Samira and today we're going to be working on exercise 13. And in exercise 13 it tells us to return the slope of the line through the points x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. So to do that we have to define the function. So we use depth slope and we use the parameters x1, y1, x2, and y2. And so for this exercise, we have to be using some math to figure out the slope between the lines x1, y1, and x2, y2. So to do that, we have to figure out how to find a slope. And so to find a slope, it's y2 over y1 and x2 over x1. So to do that, we have to assign them to a variable, which is s, and then x2 and x1 to a. And then, so because we know we have to divide these two, we just divide the variables we have assigned it to. So we make a new variable, which is w, and then we assign that to s divided by a to find the slope. Because in a fraction, because y2 over y1 and x2 over x1, it's like you have to divide those 2 points to get your final answer. And so we simply return w, and then we just print out slope, which is on top. We just plug in some numbers to see if it works, and let's see if it actually does work. So let me just run this to make sure. And here you go.